Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own stencil that you can use for customizing shoes, customizing rugs, chairs, whatever accessories you want to customize. I'm going to show you how to make your own stencil at home.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Okay, so these are the things you guys need. First, you need the image you want to do, okay? So the Louis Vuitton, we're going to do that today, okay? Print that out on a piece of paper. Next, grab a piece of cardstock, okay? You can probably get this at a store for like $2-3, pretty cheap. It's like a thicker paper, okay? I tape it to it, so it's like that. And when I flip it over, I have a light on underneath, so that's the other thing you need is a light underneath. You can use like your computer, maybe you have a flashlight, just put it on underneath. And then now you can see where we're going to trace, okay? So we're going to outline all of this, and then once we're done outlining that, we're going to take our next tool, which is an X-Acto knife, and we are going to line out everything that we traced until we cut it out, and then we have our piece. So here we go. So now, guys, there is our logo. There it is, all traced out. As you can see, there is some spots where it's not perfect, but don't worry about that. Once you use the X-Acto knife, it's going to make it look a lot cleaner. So don't worry about if you have some mess ups and stuff like that. Obviously, I did that really quickly, and I just wanted to get the basis of the outline, because once I use the X-Acto, it's going to look exact, all right? So here we go. So now when I use the X-Acto knife on this, I usually put a piece of cardboard or something down underneath it, because this will go through, and if you're using like a wood table or anything like that, you're probably going to scratch it. So with that being said, try to use something underneath it. If you have a cutting board, you can use a cutting board. But yeah, here we go. Okay, guys, and there is the stencil. Okay, as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner than when I was tracing it. You can probably see all the mess ups there and stuff like that. And here it just looks a lot cleaner. Also, when you're doing this, I just want to give you guys some tips real quick. When using the X-Acto knife and stuff, don't go fast. Like, this isn't you're not gonna be able to do this really quickly. It probably took me about, I don't know, 5 to 8 minutes. To do. You have to go slow, because you don't want to, if you mess up just a little bit, go a little bit too far, now this part's going to be bigger. Every cut matters, so you really just need to take your time, get it straight. Now some spots you might notice like they weren't perfectly straight, so I kind of had to like get to the groove where it was straight. If that can make sense. You can see like a little bit in here messed up a little bit, but again, not bad. Once you like spray paint this on something, it's gonna look good, it's gonna look clean. So yeah, guys, that is a stencil. I'm gonna go spray paint it on something so you guys can see what it looks like, and then yeah, that is it. So there it is, guys. There's your Louis Vuitton right there. Obviously, I didn't even let it set or anything, but just so you guys see, that is the stencil. We use this. There's our product right there. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. That is how you make your own stencil at home right there. It took me probably like 10 to 15 minutes, and there's the product right there. Now, this will look even cleaner than it looks right now. I didn't tape it down to this cardboard, plus this cardboard's not even or anything, but we still got a pretty good, clear picture. And again, it came from this stencil that didn't take us long to make and pretty much free. You can probably make this with stuff you have around the house. Obviously, spray paint's really the only thing you need to buy, or an X-Acto knife. But besides that, you guys can make this at home. It's a lot cheaper than buying them for whatever, $10, $20, $30. So yeah, that's the ending product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped, and hopefully you can go make your own stencils like this. If you have any questions or video suggestions for the future, please comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel, because I'm enjoying this channel and I hope you guys are too, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. Now, last thing real quick before I end this. Next video, whenever you're watching this, I am making a custom Supreme Director's Chair. It is coming in today and I'm customizing it today. It's going to be going out my next video. So be ready for it. It's Scotty Restores Kicks and I'm out.